oddly enough, my success with the initial stages of interviewing was not that great. And it was a huge eye opener because I realized that, investment banking isn't a terribly technical.
I was going to say position. they may have been a little bit hesitant about your resume, seeing all the technical stuff, thinking this guy's going to be like a robot or a computer nerd or whatever, a mathematics guy. Like he's going to get so bored writing pitch decks. We don't want this guy, right? That could be the thought. Like
exactly. And that I feel like that was sort of the thought, and partly my mental frame was not correct either, because I came in thinking that, okay, technical skills, finance experience, I should be set. But I didn't really think about the interpersonal and the social component of it, which I did not realize was that huge at investment banks. And so the networking component, and not just scheduling the chats and going to them and, spending 20, 30 minutes talking to some guy or girl and then checking it off your checklist. It's about going to these chats with the intention of creating a relationship and developing a relationship with that person, and trying to get to know them, get to know their experiences, and essentially get them to like you as a person.